Japan? Is it the absolute silence of an ancient shrine, or the deafening roar of a bullet train piercing through the night? Is it the delicate art of folding paper, or the creation of machines that mimic human life? Japan is not a country you can define with a single word. It is a collision of timelines. A place where the souls of samurai walk the same streets as the pioneers of tomorrow. Take a deep breath. You are about to step into the most fascinating paradox on Earth. Welcome to Japan. Japan is not just a country, it is a living paradox. Welcome to the land of the rising sun, where the distant echoes of ancient traditions seamlessly harmonize with the relentless hum of the future. Here, towering skyscrapers, made of glass and steel, share the horizon with centuries-old wooden temples. In the sprawling metropolis of Tokyo, millions of people navigate the neon-lit streets with futuristic precision, yet they still find time to pause, bow, and honor the customs of their ancestors. This is a society built on profound respect. Respect for nature, respect for history, and respect for one another. As we embark on this journey across the Japanese archipelago, we will discover how a nation so deeply rooted in its past manages to constantly redefine the future. Prepare to be captivated by a world where the quiet serenity of a Zen garden exists just steps away from the busiest intersections on Earth. Beyond the urban sprawl lies the true heart of Japan, its breathtaking, sacred nature. The Japanese archipelago is a volcanic wonderland, fiercely protected and deeply revered. Standing tall at the center of it all is Mount Fuji, an iconic, snow-capped peak that has inspired poets and artists for millennia. But nature's rhythm here is most famously marked by the seasons. Every spring, the country transforms into a soft ocean of pink during the Sakura, or cherry blossom season. It is a fleeting beauty, reminding everyone that life is beautiful precisely because it is temporary. In autumn, the fiery red maple leaves of Kyoto create a landscape so vivid it feels like a painting. This deep spiritual connection to nature is born from Shinto, Japan's indigenous belief, which teaches that spirits, or kami, reside in every mountain, river, and ancient tree. Leaving the quiet temples behind, we step into the relentless energy of tomorrow. Japan is an undisputed global titan of technology and innovation. It is the birthplace of the Shinkansen, the legendary bullet train that slices through the countryside at unimaginable speeds, always arriving precisely on time. In districts like Akihabara, neon signs illuminate the night sky, creating a glowing cyberpunk dreamscape. This is a world where robotics, artificial intelligence, and cutting-edge engineering are interwoven with daily life. From automated robot restaurants and advanced vending machines to video game culture and anime that has taken the world by storm, Japan's pop culture and technological prowess are inescapable. Yet, amidst this hyper-modernity, the relentless pursuit of perfection remains a deeply traditional trait, applied now to silicon and steel rather than swords and ceramics. No journey to Japan is complete without exploring its culinary masterpiece, washoku. Japanese cuisine is an art form, recognized globally for its meticulous preparation, seasonal ingredients, and aesthetic presentation. Whether it is the masterful slicing of fresh sashimi, the comforting warmth of a steaming bowl of tonkotsu ramen, or the delicate precision of a traditional tea ceremony, every meal is a performance. Street food vendors in Osaka offer savory delights like takoyaki, while high-end sushi masters in Tokyo dedicate their entire lives to perfecting a single bite. As the sun sets over the Tokyo skyline, casting long shadows over both ancient shrines and glass towers, we bid farewell to this extraordinary country. Japan leaves us with a profound realization. It is possible to honor who we were, while boldly building who we will become.